and welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine Zena, and if you are new, click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this wash and go. I am loving this wash and go. So first, I wash my hair with the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger shampoo, of course, like I always do. And I followed it up with a deep conditioner, which is also from Camille Rose. And that is the Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. The bomb. So after I deep conditioned my hair, I rinsed it out and applied my leave-in conditioner, which is the Curl Love, which I love this stuff. So I applied the Curl Love as my leave-in conditioner. Then I went in with my Aloe Whip Butter Gel. This stuff is the bomb. It's a mixture between a moisturizer and a gel. It's not a custard. It's more so like a moisturizer, but it says gel, but I won't use it as a gel because I don't think it has a hold like a gel, but the moisture is A1. So because I didn't trust the butter gel to, you know, leave my hair with a, let's see the word I'm looking for. I didn't trust the gel to pretty much last on my hair. It's more so probably like a soft hold. On top of the butter gel, I went in with the Wetline Extreme Gel, which this gel is amazing. I don't know why I'm just now starting to use it again, because I've been using the curl maker, and the curl maker is pretty much like a soft hold. It has a hold, but it's soft, and it pretty much expands your curls so your fro get big faster over time. But with the Wetline, it kind of like weigh your hair down. It also elongate your curls. So I love the Wetline as well. It just depends on what look I'm going for. So those are the products I used on my heads. So of course I applied the butter gel on all sections, added some water, then I went in and applied the gel on top. I sat on the dryer for 45 minutes, and then I banded my hair into 4 ponytails, and I slept with that overnight. And so the next day, voila, we have this stretch wash and go, which I love it. Like, my hair is touching my shoulders right now. Like, I can feel it on my back. I can feel it on my back. So this gel is A1. I think I probably won't go back to the curl maker for a minute. Just depends on how this pretty much reacts over the week. If it mats up or dry out, then I'll have to decide if I need to add more moisturizer underneath it or oil or whatever, because lately I have not been using oil, and I think I'm going to incorporate oils back into my regimen. So if you'd like to see my upcoming regimen for the winter, stay tuned.